Chicken and Egg by Lisa Scholastic. Chicken and egg. These are chickens. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Chickens live on a farm. A male chicken is called a rooster. A female chicken is called a hen. Rooster, a hen. The hen lays some eggs. Sit, sit, sit. It's sitting on the eggs to keep them warm. This is the outside of an egg. See? Spots. This is the inside of an egg. When a baby chick is grown, at last, when it is time for the chick to come out, it uses its beak to break out of the shell. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Yay! A little chick has hatched. The chick eats. Peck, peck, peck. The chick walks. Walk, walk, walk. The chick makes sounds. Peep, peep, peep. See, sing, peep. It's opening his mouth. A chick will grow up to be a hen. Cluck, cluck, cluck. See? It's growing up. A hen. The chick lays some eggs. See? That's exactly in the other part. See? That's a chickie.